Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you what to post on Facebook for your Etsy shop. Now this is going to be a fairly simple tutorial, so yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, we're on my Etsy dashboard right here, and I actually have one article that I wanted to show you. So actually Etsy has a seller handbook that is basically helping others on what to post on Facebook for Etsy shop. This is one of the really great ways of how to learn more about what to do on your Facebook, for example, for your Etsy shop. As you can see, even if you already have a personal Facebook account, you should set up a dedicated business page. Now we all know that growing a following, right? In addition to linking your Facebook page from your shop, consider drawing attention to it in an email to buyers after they make a purchase, or on your business cards or other branded materials, right? This will basically give you that heads up for other buyers to visit your Facebook page, right? Now, as you can see, vary the type of content that you share. Try using the rule of thirds. Devote a third of your content to promotion of new items and shop announcements, a third to topics that relate to your business, and a third to sharing bonus items your fans will find useful, like DIY projects or decorating tips. Right? So this is what you can post. You can post decorating tips. You can post point of view from your customer. Let's say, you can post how you're getting the product that you're selling and how you're unboxing it, right? You can post behind the scenes of what it takes to create a product. You can post, Q&As, right? You can post new shop announcements, as you can see, or promotion of your new items, right? If you don't promote yourself, no one will for you. So make sure to do that in a really great way, right? As you can see, you can experiment with formats, right? Another way to mix up your posts is through formatting, from carousel posts showcasing multiple images, multiple products, to process photo albums and video, especially live video, as you can see, because live video attracts a lot of people, right? Consider sharing your updates through special live video announcements, which give your followers the opportunity to ask you questions and engage directly with you, right? As you can see, pro tip, video content, and more importantly, live video on Facebook is prioritized in the timeline, meaning more people will see it, which is a great way to update your audience as well. Obviously, be consistent, have a conversation, definitely meaningful conversations through your content and through your comment section, right? And keep it professional, right? And also you can consider by investing in Facebook ads that will speed up your process a lot more, especially if you have already some fans, which will allow you to basically get more out of your Facebook experience. So that's basically kind of it, what you can post on your Facebook shop. I hope this video helped you out, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.